got breaking news out of New York today. Manhattan, a helicopter ending up in the Hudson River. Live pictures here from this still active scene showing the crews getting that chopper out of the water, and our ABC affiliate in New York City reporting that the helicopter essentially came up short of the landing pad and ended up in the water of the Hudson. This all happening on the west side of Manhattan. If you're familiar with New York, the pilot reportedly able to get out of that helicopter and thankfully is okay. We'll stay on top of that one for you as well. Let's go out.